everyone.
Wallace and Gromit the ride.
And say cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese. We'll go somewhere where there's cheese. Oh, good job I greased the bearings. Did you check the brakes, lad? No crackers from me. We forgot the cripple. Hold on, Gromit. Hold on. Breakfast this morning, Gromit. Porridge today, lad. Tuesday. Is it supposed to do that? Don't worry, madam. Everything's under control. Where'd you get that from? That's my machine. I've got patent pending.
Come to Mummy, lovely Wally.
I've got a bomb in my hands. Oh no, Gromit. Get me down. Help. Get me down with instant. Oh, that's quite enough. You'll be hearing from my solicitor about this. Capable of over 125 RPM. That's rabbits per minute.
What's rabbit bother and triple straight on over the height of that?
Hang in there, Gromit. Everything's under control. Good boy, Gromit, lad. Well done. Well, that went as well as could be expected, Gromit, didn't it? Well done, chap. Oh, that was brilliant.
Gromit.
And that's the on-ride POV of Wallace and Gromit, Thrill-o-matic.